The 2024 Herley 11 Explorer. Relentless. An aluminum welded boat. Wow. Twin Mercury 400 V10s. Your bait tank. Beautiful chocolate brown. Oh, I didn't even know that. Huh. The flip up Garmin. Or like how open they've made it by having the windows fold open and the door fold open as well. Wow. The chocolate brown leather and the stitching. Holy cow. I'm not a fan of this flooring, but that's just me personally. But dang, dude. Look at these chocolate brown seats and the stitching. It's like diamond stitching. Down into this massive V-berth. Whoa. They really wanted to make sure you had some room in here. Doesn't have like the window cutouts on the port and starboard side like that Nimbus we just looked at, but you got one big light, or a couple actually. You've got three sort of sunlights letting light in. Nice bathroom. Nice head. Beautiful. Definitely nicer than some of the heads we've seen. You have all your closet space, your storage, and then your steps up into the V-berth. And then facing aft, tucked into the port side, you do have another little suite back in here, a little sleeping space. That's pretty cool. The Shockwave base seats for two passengers. Even the passengers have access to a touchscreen.